You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
I am going to do a little experimental cook using this kit from Chef Boyardee. I'm going to make 2 pizzas and the toppings are all going to be the same, but what's going to be different is it's going to be made following these instructions in preparation. And then I'm going to make another one doing a modified Detmers version of using these ingredients. Which one will be better? That is the question. Yeah, so you see, there is no bioengineered food ingredients, but there is a bunch of other garbage in there. So, is it healthy? I don't know about that. This kit makes 2 pizzas, perfect for my little experiment here. So let's get busy and get this thing opened up. Here on the Polly Detmers channel. Now after opening this up, there's 2 bags of dough mixture in there. They say you can use each one for a 12-inch pizza, but I weighed them both and they weighed different measurements. So I did weigh them out myself and divided them up equally. So I'm going to start with Detmers modified pizza version, and yeah, I'm using cold water, unlike the recipe calls for, and I'm mixing it up. Then I'm going to add the oil as desired, and I'm going to do it by hand. I'm going to cover the outside of this whole pizza ball with the oil to my liking. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to let it rest, and I'm going to knead it in about 10 minutes. Now, to the Chef Boyardee instructions pizza dough, you got to add warm water. Instructions said very warm water. And I measured out the oil, 1.5 teaspoons, as instruction calls for. But it's drizzled over this time. No touchy. Let it sit in a warm place. Let it rise for 5 minutes. If you can get it rise. While the slice box warms up for the modified version, let's get the instruction pizza dough in the pan. And yes, I broke out the little roller. You have to apply oil to it or it'll stick. But it worked pretty good. I got a little overzealous in the middle, so I had to kind of like bring some dough back to the center. But it worked out good. Here I'm putting the sauce on there. That canned sauce wasn't too bad. There was more than enough for 2 pizzas, I'll tell you that. Get it in the oven, 12 minutes. Now we're going to look at the modified pizza dough, Detmers modified, and we're going to do a little pick up, little fold under, and drop. This is a means of kneading the dough, and it works really good. And we'll let it rest covered, and we'll do that again. So here's the as per instruction pizza. Now back to the modified pizza dough. I'm going to do a little fold and drop one more time here, and we'll let it rest for another, I don't know, 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, this dough is ready, and we're going to make the modified pizza. The texture of this dough is so much better than the one from the instruction one. It's easier to handle, well, a little bit. It just feels better. It's not sticky like the instruction pizza. But yeah, we're going to build this pizza. We'll put this one in the slice box right after building it here. And into the slice box pizza oven pie hole it goes. I'm just going to keep an eye on it, and when I see it's fit to be called done, it's done.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, this pizza looks done because she done. Put it on the cooling rack. You can see the difference. One's a little thicker than the other. The other one has a little bit more diameter to it. The instruction one, the color is just kind of brown. And I like the color on the modified a little bit more. They both look nice. Let's get them cut up. Instructions, freelance. And we'll give them a try. And yeah, looking good. So here I am. I have, as per instruction, pizza crust. And here is the Detmers modified. We're going to try the instruction right now. Alright. It was good, but there's something about it. Now let's try the modified. Oh yeah. That's a little bit better. The crust is better. A little bit more texture to it. A little more chewiness. Now I have to say, this kit is pretty good. And I think that's why it's been around so long. It's proven. This is the first time I've ever had it though. However, I found that with just a 5-minute rest of the dough, this pizza crust was kind of spongy. That's okay. It was good. It was not, didn't have an off taste or anything like that. It was very soft. If you're in a hurry, this is great. Eating out of a drive-through window, this is right up your alley. Another thing I want to say, it's a great way to introduce kids to baking. Now, my modified pizza, it was better, but it takes time. And I know a lot of people buy this kit because they don't want to take the time of making dough, because if that was the case, they would just get the ingredients and make pizza dough, right? So, very convenient. You don't have to weigh anything out except for your olive oil and water. So, I do approve of this kit for what it is, and like I said, it's proven not bad. Till next time, I'm Paulie.